Okay, so I just want to do a quick little rundown on how to type these in the calculator, because that can be a challenge for students sometimes. So I just want to share that right now. This problem was in our last video as one of our examples, so I just want to highlight what our options are. The wonderful thing about these graphing calculators is you can pretty much type it in exactly how you see it. So I'm going to show you that here. I'm going to start off by putting 500. So I've got that number there. I've got my parentheses 1.04, and then in order to get the exponent, or that 10, we're going to take advantage of this caret key right here. This caret key is how we get our exponents. When I click it, you'll notice my cursor kind of moves up above. I can type in my 10, and now that I have it written exactly as it appears on my paper, I can hit enter, and sure enough, I get my $740.12 rounded to 2 decimal places because, hey, it was money. That's a really nice feature, these graphing calculators. You can type them exactly as is. Now, I know a few of you do not prefer the graphing calculators, and you use the scientific ones that I also have available. Now, it's a little bit trickier to type these in, and the issue is I have to make sure that I do the exponent part first. So I'm actually going to start with the 1.04. Oops. Sorry, this calculator has not been used in a while. 1.04, okay? And I'm going to take that 1.04 and I need to raise it to the 10th. Now, in order to get the exponent, I'm going to do the following. I've got this little XY key. When I press it and then type in the 10, and hit equals, that is 1.04 to the 10th power, or 1.04 times 1.04 times 1.04 10 times. That means that this number represents the parentheses to the 10th. You'll see that I've written it down in here, which means my last step is to then multiply by 500. So times 500, hit equals, and sure enough, we get 740.12, and we get the same value. So just be aware that the order of operations matter, and regardless of which calculator you're using, you should have success with it. A lot of your phone calculators will follow a similar pattern as this, though some of them have new features where you can type out longer statements like the graphing. It just depends on which version of your calculator you're using. So hopefully that helps you out in evaluating those with your calculators.